Umama weSisulu Angel Matukane uthi lo mlisa ungena endlini yakhe ngesikhathi elele yena nengane yakhe yentombazane wabavusa kwabe kusekuba khona ingxabano phakathi kwabo. Uthemba kwalokho uthathe ingane ngesihluku wayisa eminyango wayiphahlaza phansi ikhathe eziningi yazi yashonela endaweni yesigameko.
It's a dream. It's like a dream. Still, I can't believe it's happened. I can't. How come? He said he loves his child. But then why? Why didn't he kill me? Why? I'm the one who said you must stop.
Umphakathi usashaqekile.
As a community, we feel very devastated because this is something that is not usual to happen. So it was our first time experiencing it. So our wish is for us and the mother of the baby to get justice.
Amaphoyisa asevule icala lokubulala kanti athi ziyanda lezi igameko kulomphakathi.
Police are investigating a murder case following the brutal murder of a 1-year-old allegedly by the father of the child. The incident happened on Monday around 10 a.m. It is said that after the incident, the suspect was allegedly assaulted by members of the community. He was rescued by the police.
Umsolwa uqashwe amaphoyisa esibhedlela.